Have you been asking and asking and still not receiving? You've written affirmations. You've visualized your dream life. You've even whispered thank you to the universe at 3 a.m. And yet, nothing's changing. So what's the real reason the law of attraction isn't working for you? The answer might surprise you. And the fix could change everything. The law of attraction is simple, or so we're told. Like attracts like. What you focus on expands. Believe it, and it's yours. It's been popularized by books like The Secret, by countless YouTube creators and spiritual mentors across the world. And many people do see results. They manifest jobs, relationships, money, homes. But for just as many, the results don't come. So what separates those who succeed from those who keep waiting? I hope you liked the video so far. Please hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. Here's where most people get stuck. They're doing the right steps, but with the wrong energy. You can say, "I am wealthy," 1,000 times. But if deep down you feel broke, scared, or desperate, that's what you're really broadcasting. The law of attraction doesn't respond to your words. It responds to your vibration. And here's the twist. Most people are manifesting not from abundance, but from lack. I want more money often really means I'm terrified of not having enough. That fear, that doubt, that obsessive need to control the outcome, that's what blocks the flow. Imagine this. You go to a restaurant and place your order. But instead of trusting the waiter, you call him back every 60 seconds. Are you sure it's coming? Is the chef working on it? What if you forgot? Eventually, the kitchen gets confused. Or worse, cancels the order. That's how most people approach manifestation. They're constantly checking, doubting, and resisting. But manifestation requires trust. It requires you to order once, and then energetically act as if it's already done. This is the secret. Let go of the timeline. Let go of the how. Let go of needing it to happen. When you do that, you shift from chasing your desire to attracting it. So how do you actually fix it? How do you realign your energy with your desire? It starts with becoming the version of you who already has it. Speak as they would. Walk as they would. Think as they would. This isn't fake. It's alignment. You're not pretending. You're preparing. Step into the identity of the future you, and reality will catch up. And don't just visualize. Feel. Close your eyes and feel the joy of having already received it. That's the frequency the universe understands. That's when the doors start to open. If you felt stuck, confused, or disconnected from your manifestations, let today be the shift. You are never failing. You are simply attracting from fear instead of trust. So now, realign. Feel as though it's already done. And let it go with love. The universe isn't late. It's waiting for you to match the frequency of what you asked for. If this message found you at the right time, you're not alone. What's the biggest shift you're making after watching this? Tell us in the comments below. And please share the video with others. Please don't forget to hit the like button. Hit the notification bell. And subscribe to 369 Awakening for weekly videos that help you raise your vibration, rewire your mind, and manifest your highest life. Remember, you're not waiting on your dream life. Your dream life is waiting on you.